Hello, let us again practice. Yeah, another good tool, which is someone can guess it. And there we go. That is another tool we want to practice this evening. Remember, we are doing steganography tools. Yeah, we are passing through practicing steganography tools. Remember, steganography is helpful for a digital forensics person and any other person that is doing investigations. You need steganography. Even you, as a person, you need it because you have your secret data you want to hide around. Yeah, so that is the steganography, the openstego tool. It also does two main things, that is hiding data and extracting data. Yeah, it does two things, hiding data and extracting data. So we are going to enter our message file. The message file is the file you want to hide. So I can browse, I can query and look for where our files to practice from are. They're located in downloads. Open our message file. I want us to take this one here, open, and the cover file, it's what you want to hide into. Yeah, it is. I'm going to take this one here as our cover file. So these are two different images, but we are going to pick that and hide it in this. And remember, for openstego, it only allows you to hide or embed in image files. It allows you to your cover files to be images. Yeah, that's what it only allows, but you can hide any message. So the message file, there you put anything. It can be an audio, it can be a video, it can be a PDF file or a document file. But for the cover image, it must be an image file. So the output, which is the stego file, remember, message file plus a cover file, it gives out a stego file. So the stego file, or what it should output, we want it to be save it as hide me, save it as hide me. So it is bringing us to the encryption algorithm. That one is there by default, but you can choose, and others you can see there is 256. The password, let us enter an easy password, 1234. But remember, when you're doing this work for your own benefits or for some duties, you need to use a very strong password. You can re-enter the password I've re-entered, and then from there we press hide data. So let it hide our data. It is processing, trying to hide data. It is trying to embed the files. Wow, it has given us a feedback message embedded into one cover file and skipped 0 files, which means all has been embedded and it has been done successfully. That was hiding the data. Now we go to its second duty, which is extracting data. There we shall press before we go to that, let us first open our terminal and see these files. They were in downloads. So I'll say cd downloads. Yeah, I say ls. You can see there is, that was 8.4 was our message file. If we display it so that you can see how it was, copy, paste. Wow, it is not displaying. It's not displaying. Okay, wait. I think I need to use another terminal. Okay, let me just do it in a simple way. So we can see the hide me file that we did is already here in our Kali directorate. Yeah, it's here, the bitmapped file. This is the stego file that we did. Yeah, but if we go in downloads, we are supposed to see we used 8.4. That's how it looks. That's how the message looks like. That's how the message looks like, 8.4. And if we can see, we used this 1,000, 10,000 GPG image. It's the one we use to hide our data. So this is how it looks like, and you have seen how our message file was looking like. This was our cover file, and if we can go back and you see our result, which is the hide me.bitmap file, which is here, it is showing, of course, the cover file. Yeah, it is showing the cover file. So now we are going to extract our data. Let us go to extracting. They're saying we input the stego file. Our stego file was, I've seen it is hiding here. Our stego file was hide me.bitmap. It's that one. And then they're saying how it should output, where it should save. We can put it on the desktop. Yeah, we enter the password. Let me enter it as 134. That's what we use to extract data. So it is processing, extracting that data. It is processing, it is trying to extract the embedded file. Wow. It has given us a feedback message, which is success. Message file successfully extracted from the cover file. And the file is 8.4.jpg. So it has been successfully done. That is openstego file. Yeah, openstego tool. If we can go and see from our desktop where we saved the result, the output result, we need to see it. It is already here on the desktop. It wasn't there. Where has it come from? It is there displaying. That is our image. You can see it. That is our image. Now, remember, openstego allows you to embed any file. Your message file can be anything. It can be an audio, it can be a video, it can be an image, anything. It can be a document, but for the cover file, it has to be an image. Yeah, it allows you to embed data only in images. That's how openstego works. For now, we can practice that. Remember, this is our practicing site, so it's okay for you to ask any question, for you to comment, to tell me another tool we should practice together, because we are here just to practice, to get skills for ourselves, and to go in the field out there and use our skills to help people and to work. Thank you.